In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a captivating video experience to your Webflow project using the Lightbox element. With this simple guide, you'll have a sleek video pop-up ready to enhance user engagement on your website. So let's jump right in and make your website even more dynamic. First things first, you'll want to open your Webflow project and navigate to the Add panel. Here you'll find a variety of different elements that you can add to your canvas. Look for the Lightbox element. This is the tool that will enable a stylish pop-up video player on your site. When you locate it, simply drag and drop the Lightbox onto your Webflow canvas. This action sets the stage for your video. Once you've placed the Lightbox onto your canvas, direct your attention to its settings panel. Here you need to specify the content type, so select Video. This ensures that the Lightbox is primed for our next step, which is the star of this show, your video content. Next, it's time to bring your video into the spotlight. Copy the URL of the video you'd like to showcase. It could be from YouTube, Vimeo, or another video hosting service. Paste this URL into the video link field within the Lightbox's settings panel. A handy tip for YouTube users. If you add .autoplay1 to the end of the URL, your video will start playing automatically as soon as the Lightbox opens, giving your audience a seamless viewing experience. Now, let's make this video player interactive. Drag a text block or a button element into the Lightbox's link block. This element serves as the clickable entry point to your video. Style it in a way that clearly communicates, "Hey, click me, I'm a play" button. This could mean simply adding a play icon or customizing it with colors and text that align with your site's design. Once you have everything set up just the way you like it, it's time to see your work in action. Publish your page and give it a good test. Click your newly styled play button to ensure the video pops up as expected, and check that it plays smoothly, especially if you opted for that nifty autoplay feature. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've added an engaging video pop-up to your Webflow site using the Lightbox element. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your site, but also makes your content more interactive and engaging for viewers. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy crafting those beautiful, vibrant digital experiences.